Hey everyone, welcome back to Isobe Food. We are about to go crazy in the kitchen today. Crazy. Leg of lamb was on sale.
Look at that bad boy.
And we have a cabinet full of spices. 12 secret spices. 13 secret spices. Today we're making Ras el Hanout, leg of lamb. That's a Moroccan, North African spice blend with an incredible depth of flavor. We're taking it mainstream. We're going to be pairing it with a saffron coconut milk rice pilav that is guaranteed to get you that second date. Let's get started.
Score your leg of lamb in a crosshatch pattern using a sharp knife. Let's make our Ras el Hanout spice mixture. To a pan, add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, fennel seeds, whole black peppercorns, green cardamom pods, star anise, cloves, bay leaves, and some cinnamon stick. Toast the spices for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Grind the spices in a pestle and mortar or a spice blender into a semi-fine powder. Add the spices to a small bowl along with nutmeg, turmeric, ground ginger, kosher salt, and coconut milk. Mix to fully combine. Pour the spice mixture over the lamb and distribute evenly.
Crazy.
Cover with plastic wrap and place the lamb in the fridge to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours and up to 24 hours. After you've let the lamb marinate, remove the plastic and place it into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Be sure to place the meat in cold so that the exterior has a chance to caramelize without overcooking the interior. Cook for about 1.5 to 1 3/4 hours until the thickest part of the leg reads 130 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a perfect medium rare. In the meantime, rinse 2 cups of basmati rice until the water runs clear. Place a pinch of saffron threads in a small cup of warm water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. In a medium saucepan, sweat 1 small onion and a tablespoon of ghee or butter until translucent and slightly browned. Add in cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, a clove, and 1 star anise, and toast the spices for 1 minute. Add in the rice, raisins, a bay leaf, and ginger. Mix to coat the rice with the butter and toast for 1 minute. Add chicken stock to the coconut milk for a total of 4 cups of liquid. Pour in the stock along with the saffron liquid and add in some kosher salt. Bring the mixture to a simmer over high heat. Once to the simmer, cover and reduce the heat to low. Cook for 15 minutes and then turn off the heat. Let sit for 10 minutes before fluffing with the fork.
So there you have it, folks. Ras el Hanout, leg of lamb with a saffron coconut milk rice pilav. Topping this simply with a very fresh chimichurri sauce to bring out all those flavors. Be sure to invite me to that wedding. Now, that does it for me. Come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie. I love you. I'm gonna dig in. Ooh, juicy, that beautiful gamey lamb flavor paired with all those beautiful spices. It goes perfectly together. This rice, nice, light, creamy, delicious. I'll see y'all next time.